Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, back to TruBran. I'm Brandon, and today we're going to be looking at another RV renovation that I just finished up 2 days ago on this 2003 Sunline Solaris. So yeah, let's get right into it. We're going to start from the outside. This gray is becoming like my signature look, my signature color, so I think I'm gonna stick with it. I might try to switch it up later in another RV, but at this point I really just like this color, so let's go to the inside. Alright guys, that was my full renovation on this 2003 Sunlight Solaris. This one was really fun to do, but we got to get it out of here, get it ready to sell. About to get the next one pulled up in here, so guys, stay tuned for the next renovation.